Welcome back everyone. So let's do the setting for the WooCommerce. WooCommerce we have done the setting in the previous video. Sorry. So let's do the setting for Yoast SEO, that is for search engine optimization, to get in the Google search. Okay, so what you need to do is once you will go over there, so there will be a Yoast SEO first time organization configuration. You just need to click over here, and after that just click on continue, and you need to fill the details about your organization, whether it's an organization or it's a person. So this is about your website. Okay, so whether it's an organization or person, like what is the name of the website, what is the name of the organization, what is the organization logo. So you just need to select the image and select over here, upload over here. After that you can click on save and continue, and you need to fill the social profiles like Facebook, Twitter, whatever the profile you have on social media, you can add over here. There is an option to add and delete from here. After that, you can click on save and continue, and you can give your email address if you want some updates. Otherwise, you just skip this one, and I'm just selecting this option and I'm clicking on save and continue. After that, this is the final configuration, and so I'm just selecting this, or you can go to that. So basically we have done the basic setting, and now these are the default settings which is provided by Yoast SEO. So I just keep it as it is. Okay, and you can do the settings as per your choice, like by going to settings from Yoast SEO. You can just go to settings and you can do the settings, but I just want to keep it as it is, the default values. Okay, so these are some settings. So by default they have given the best settings, so I'm just keeping it as it is. I'm not going to change anything in it. Okay, the main thing to do, that is the first time configuration, which I have just done. So next is, let's do the setting for uh, okay, so rest are some normal things, like this is the updraft plus. So basically it is used for taking the backups. You can just click on backup button and that will take the backup of your website. And you can also do the settings like how frequent you want to take the backup of your websites, like after 8 hours. So here this is the if I will click on backup over here, so it will create a backup of my website. Okay, I'm not going to take it doing it because it will take some times, it will take few minutes to do it. So, and if you will go to the setting, so you can schedule your files backup every 2 hours you want, every 4 hours, every 8 hours, every 12 hours, daily, weekly. So you can just do the settings from here. I am just keeping it as it is by default. Okay, so I'm not going to change anything, so that is fine. Sometimes after, once my website will be ready, then I will take the backup. Okay, so next are so next are basically the normal things which, So next is like we have now our website is looking like this, and now I just want to show you like how to edit the page. So first of all, let's go to customize, how to do the customization. So you can just click on customize button. So once you will click on the customize button, it will display like this. It is taking some time to load the website. So here you can see on the left hand side, you will get this option to optimize each and everything on your website. So this is for the global, and these are the things. So if I will mouse over on the website over here, so you will see this pencil icon will come. If I will click on that, so I will get the option to change it. So this is the logo right now. So I, because I clicked over here, so I can just remove this and I can change the logo. Okay, so I'm just removing this, and I'm just, I don't have any logo right now. So uh okay, so I'm not selecting it. Okay, and okay, just let me, so I'm just selecting this, and I can change the width from here. So these are some options which we can use, and there's nothing much. Design, you can go to the design and zoom in. I'm selecting the option of zoom in, like once anyone will hover mouse on it, so it will zoom. And so this is the top offset, sub menu, fade. So it will work once I will publish the changes. And this is the border radius. You can set some border radius, and menu color, right now it's white, so I can just change it. So I'm just setting it to blue. And background font, you can change the font. Okay, so over, I just want to be red, so I'm just doing some changes so that I can show you like how this is, how it works. So just let me open it, new window. So I have published the changes whatever I have done. So here you can see, so there are some effects coming and the logo is gone. So some changes are not working. For that I just need to see. Okay, I had to select this one, and I can just select the height. I'm selecting this, and design, if I will go to the design, so background is fine, and okay, color transparent, spacing. So okay, so it has all of the options which you can choose from over here. So Okay, I'm just going to select something else. So like this button, I need to close it first of all. So like this, you can just customize whatever. Another method is you can just click on edit with Elementor. So I am going to open the page using Elementor. This is a very good website builder. So now here you can see this is the page. If you want to add something, suppose I just want to copy it and I just want to paste over here. Okay, so I have got the duplicate button and I can change anything. So here you will get three options if you will select anything. So here you will get three options. One is content, another is style, third one is advanced. So in the content you will get the content, like this is the view collection. I just want it to be new collection, and you can place a link over here. You can add an icon. Okay, you can just use the option from over here. So type, I am just going to change the type of it. Okay, so this one is looking good to me. Okay, so I have just changed. So you can customize anything. You can change its color from over here if you don't like this color. So you can just go to typography and you can just click on this and you can select whatever you want to select. So you can just change the size like this. Okay, and you can change the font, whatever you want to do. So you can do the settings or change the settings from over here. And so there are so many things which you can use. And once you will close it, so these are the position. And another thing is that is advanced. So if you want to put a margin, like if you want to create some distance margin, spaces between above, right, left, bottom, so you can just select from over here. Here you can see it has, there is some change. And if you are entering 10 and this is activated, so you know now the change will apply for all of these four. But if you will click on this, so you can just make the changes separately. 20 over here, 5 over here, so I can do the changes separately if this is not enabled. Okay, like padding also I can do the changes. Okay, so like this we can make the changes. If you have to add something, so you can just click on plus icon and then again plus icon, and whatever, if you want to add grid, then you can add grid, otherwise you can use flexbox. And you can click on plus add element, and you can add any element from over here. Like I have added this text and I'm just typing something, and I will add some space between these two. So like this you can, and I can increase the space, and I can put it in the middle. For that what I need to do is I just need to go to style and I will click on center. Now it is in center. So, and another thing is you can use the some templates, and so there are three options like blocks, pages and templates. So you can insert the templates under it, or blocks or pages. So some are free and some are paid. These are pro, means these are paid. Okay, so I have added the Royal Elementor, but I just need to do some settings so that I will get the templates over here. Okay, let me check if I'm getting from the Royal. Okay, I'm not getting the option of Royal. Just let me check. Yeah, this is the Royal Elementor which I added. So here it is having very good templates, that is free and paid. Here you can see you can build the pages, and just these are already built pages which you can use in your website. So here you can see this is free. So I'm just going to use some beautiful page. Okay, so okay, this is for the about us page. So what I'm going to do is I'm just creating a new page by going to pages, and I'm clicking on add page. And I'm just creating as about us, and I'm just going to publish it, and I just change the default template with Elementor full width template. So you just need to take care of this template to use, so that all the website pages will be look alike, like they should be same. So I have created the page. What I will do is I will click on edit with Elementor, and I will use this to insert in about us page. So you can also use this. These are already built pages, and these are Royal Elementor add-ons. So you can just use this template to build a website in few minutes. You can just use them and customize as per your requirement. So I'm just going to, okay, let me close this one because this is a different page. That was home page. Now I want to use it on the about us page. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to click on add Royal Element add-on templates, and I'm just using this about us, and I just need to use insert option. So here you can see now it has inserted this page. What I need to do is I just need to go to click on this button, and I just need to first of all save as template, and I'm just giving some name, and I'm just clicking on save. And after that, once it has been saved, it will display over here. Now it is showing, and I just need to use the insert button, and I need to click on apply. So it has inserted the page. Now I have clicked on publish button so that it will publish all the changes which I have made. So it is updating the changes. Now it has published. Now it has published. So what I need to do is I just need to so basically this is a different page which I created. So I just need to check the path of this page because this is different page I created. There was already existing about us page, but I created a new page that is about us. So I just need to open that page. Now if I will go to all pages, okay, this is the about us hyphen 2. This is a different page. Okay, let me show you. Like, so basically it was already created, and this is I have just created. So okay, let me open both of the pages. So now you will come to know. So this is one page, which one we got once we used the theme, and this is the page I have just created. Okay, so here you can see this is about us hyphen 2, and this is just only about us. Okay, so you can make any changes in this page by using Elementor. If you will click on edit with Elementor, so you can just make any changes on this page. So that is the beauty of WordPress. You can easily, without any coding, make any changes to the website. So it's taking some time, uh, okay, for loading. So okay, just let me show you like how you can make any changes on this. So like I just want to make it to, instead of our mission, I just want it to your mission, and I will click on publish. So it will happen that you can make any changes. Okay, replace the image, change the text, upload a video, okay, whatever you want to make any customization, you can do that. Okay, that's pretty much about this video. I will see you in the next lecture. Thank you.